I am a BigCommerce developer, and I spend most of my day inside Stencil themes. For a long time, I kept doing the same thing in every project. Open the terminal. Type Stencil Start. Open another tab. Type npm run dev. Across a dozen client themes, that friction really added up. So I moved everything to VS Code user-level tasks, and my workflow got a lot smoother. Here is the setup. VS Code has two kinds of tasks. Workspace tasks live inside the project folder itself. They are great for project-specific scripts, and they get committed to Git so the whole team gets them. User tasks are different. They live in your personal settings, on your machine only, and they show up automatically in every workspace you open. That is the part I wanted. The commands I run on every single Stencil theme should not have to be copy-pasted into every repo. To open the global file, hit Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P on a Mac. Type tasks, open user tasks. The first time you run this, VS Code asks you to pick a template. Choose Others. That gives you an empty tasks file scoped to your user profile. Anything you put in here is available from every workspace, regardless of the framework. Here is the file I actually use. 3 tasks. The dev server runs Stencil Start. It is marked as a background task, so VS Code does not wait for it to finish before letting me kick off something else. The presentation panel is set to dedicated, which means each task gets its own terminal tab, and they do not collide. The build task runs Stencil Bundle. It is in the build group, with the default flag turned on. That part matters in a second. Here is the payoff. Because the bundle task is marked as the default in its build group, I can hit Ctrl-Shift-B or Command-Shift-B on a Mac, and the bundle just runs. No menu, no typing, no remembering which package script wraps it this week. The background dev task gets its own dedicated terminal that I can flip to whenever I want to watch the logs. Same shortcut, same behavior, in every workspace I open. I save maybe a minute per project switch. That sounds tiny until you do it 5 times a day across 20 client themes. The bigger win is mental. I never wonder which command this client used or where I last set up that watcher. The shortcut is the same everywhere because the tasks live with me, not with the repo. That is the whole point of user-level tasks.